Hi, welcome to Crew News. We will get you our company developing news. I'm BGS Wokumar. These are the headlines.
Our operation team employees had avoided the major breakdowns at Jarsigura IPP and JATPL sites. Mr. Shanmuga Sundaram, conveyor operator of BCN 10 yard at our CEPL site, found the belt patch got open suddenly while he had involved in work. Immediately he pulled the pull cord and stopped the conveyor and informed the same to control room through which he had avoided the major breakdown. Based on his information, in order to replace the 30-meter belt planned perfectly and got approval for 42 hours, but replaced the same within 36 hours. Mr. Johendra Nayak, field operator of BC7 in our Jasiguda CPP Phase 1, found the linear plate chute got opened in between BC7 and 5A while went the changing the telescopic device position 1 and avoided the breakdown by removing the plate immediately. Mr. Narayan Mohan, the operator, found the WT2A conveyor was torn by MS scrap material for 5 meters distance while in operation under our Jarsigura IPP site on 21/11/2021. Immediately he pulled the pull cord and stopped the conveyor and informed the same to control room through which he had avoided the major breakdown. Mr. Baba Ranjalaha, operator, felt the huge noise in tripper car area while operating STRC to reclaimer during his night shift on 22/11/2021 at our Jarsigura IPP site, and immediately he pulled the pull cord and stopped the function. Then he examined the return belt and found the plate was being stuck in tripper car bend pulley and removed the plate instantly. Due to his immediate action, he had avoided the property loss and major breakdown. In our Jasiguda IPP site, TT conveyor 5 took more power while functioning and even running as empty. Mr. Alok Patel, desk engineer, came to know the same and immediately stopped the conveyor and examined. While examining, he found a plate got stuck in the coffin box. Immediately he removed the same and operated the conveyor again, only checked on the entire belt in to ensure is there any other fault in belt. Due to this effective action, he had avoided the major breakdown. In our JATPL site, the function of MPCN belt conveyor was started around 5 am on 18/12/2021, having only been running for an hour. Take-up tail bank pulley DE side plumber block got overheated and the same was noticed by our operator Mr. Bairagi Baral by 6 am as the plumber block turned red. Immediately he stopped the function of the conveyor by applying PCS. Through his effective action, a major fire accident was avoided. Later it was found that such situation came to due to the damage in labyrinth ring plumber block bearing housing seal. Our mechanical team had improved the reliability of the system through excellent modification work at JSW Paradip site. It is a well-known fact that our company detects the problem, interfere with the reliability of the machine and ensure the reliability of the system through appropriate modification work. Accordingly, in our JSW Paradip site, where we are doing wagon unloading and ship loading, in our mechanical team had rectified the repairs in machines through the below mentioned modification work. Drive base modification in vibro feeder 4 and 5. The vibro feeder base often got welding crack as it was very old and due to depreciation. Hence, our mechanical team tried to replace the base and prepare the spare. After obtaining approval within perfect planning with all safety measures, our team had replaced the base within 10 hours well prior to allotted time duration of 16 hours. Idler modification. Idler plays most important role in conveyor function, but idler got damaged heavily in boom conveyor due to our depreciation. Further, due to non-availability of 1000 mm length idler spare, it was very hard to operate the conveyor. Hence, our client suggested to replace the idler within 900 mm length, and our team too had modified the idler frame accordingly for 900 mm idler at the problematic place. Dust pollution got reduced for shipping circuit. DEDS, DFDS are used to control dust while taking the coal through conveyor from the one place to another place. Accordingly, in our JSW Paradip site, while loading coal in ship, the environment got polluted due to massive dust. In order to control the same, dust suppression system and coal yard sprinkler were fixed in all our conveyors by our team. Due to this effective action, dust pollution got reduced much. Rectification work for non-standard safety issue. Proper safety standard guard should be used on rotating parts of all engines. Thus, our team replaced the new guard on all machines which did not have a standard guard. chute modification work. Chute plays a major role on shifting coal from one conveyor to another conveyor. While feeding so BC-R5 and 5A, chute got choked often. Our mechanical team inspected the issue and found the position of the intermediate chute was relocated. Then our team explained the same to our client and got approval to replace the position of the chute. After that, they replaced the position of the chute with all safety measures. Now the choke on chute highly reduced. Modification on vibro feeder chute and installation of sluice gate. Vibro feeder got choked often while receiving wet coal. Our mechanical team tried to find a solution for the same, examined the issue. Then they explained about the issue to our client and got the approval for necessary modification. After that, our team had changed the receiving chute area with the guidance of our site manager Mr. H.K. Mandal and all our safety measures. Further, as huge coal will be received while receiving dry coal, sluice gate was installed due to which the coal flow could be changed based on the nature of coal. For improving the performance of system through these works, Mr. Krishna Chandra Pradhan, manager MMD client, conveyed his appreciation to our team and honored with a certificate of appreciation. Our site manager Mr. H.K. Mandal also conveyed his appreciation to our team.
These are all the developed news from Crew. Subscribe YouTube channel Crew Media. Thanks for watching.